Alright, so welcome back. I am in a new filming space. I finally moved and we're going to be staying here for a while. And so today we're just going to do just something easy. I'll film other videos also today, but today I just want to do like my regular tutorial Thursday with this picture I found on Pinterest, just because that seems to be easier for me, like I said. I'll try to figure out who she is, but I'll put the photo over here. But it's kind of like a minty, peachy green, and so this is not really anything like I usually do. I usually do like more defined crease and everything like that. So this looks kind of pretty simple. It looks like you use two different colors and then a wing. And so we're going to try to do this just because it's not something I would usually do. Okay, so I thought I just wanted to use one palette, but I don't really have like a pastel palette. But I do have this festival palette by Profusion. And so I decided just to use this. So I'm going to try to go in with the shade Hipster, which is this lighter blue. And then as well as the shade, it's called Hot as Fuck, or AF. Whatever, and it's like this pinky shade to put in the middle, and we're gonna try just using this palette. That way if anyone has this, they could recreate it easily instead of having to go into multiple different kinds. And I have already prepped my lids with just my MAC paint pot in that soft ochre, so I'm going in with the Hot AF shade first, and I'm gonna pack that in the middle. Okay, and I zoomed you guys in just a little bit too, that way you weren't too far away when I was doing this. Then I think I'm going to take this smaller kind of crease brush and then just blend it up a little. Now that that is just kind of blended in the middle, I'm just going to take my color switch and use the same two brushes, and I'm just going to try to pack on that blue. So going in with that shade, it was Hipster. I'm going to take that blue, put it on the inside and the outside. And then, actually, I'm going to take this fluffy brush and kind of blend it a little. Okay, what I'm thinking of doing, because it seems like that blue is actually a little, just like a tad bit too light, like it's not showing up very well, I'm going to go in with the shade Wavy, which is the dark blue in the palette, and just like barely touch the pan in that, just to try to deepen it up a little bit, because I don't think that that minty shade is really picking up that well. So just to give it more of an actual hint of blue, just gonna go just a tiny bit in with that blue. Okay, then I'm gonna take just a fluffy brush that's clean and just kind of blend the edges just a little bit. I think that's as close as we're getting to the color that she had without knowing what palette and stuff that she actually used. So it does look a little weird right now, but we're gonna go in with a black liner and see if it looks any better with that. Okay, so this is what it kind of looks like on, but it doesn't look like she did anything on the bottom lash line. But what I want to kind of do is just go in a little bit with those same colors, so like pink in the middle and kind of like that minty-ish on the outside, and just put like at least a little bit there. That way it kind of connects both the top and the bottom. At least just a little. Okay, and I'm going to put on like this cream eyeliner to kind of like open up my eyes a little bit. I think in her photo it kind of looks like maybe she has a little bit of like a nude eyeliner. And this one is just from Rimmel. It's the Scandalize and the, what color? It's just in 005 Nude. And then some mascara. And this mascara is the Ciate London Triple Shot Double XL Mascara, and it's just in the shade Black. Okay, and in the photo, it doesn't look like she did any like highlighting, I guess, like on the brow bone or the inner corner because of the blue. So we are just going to leave it. Alright, and I will put a picture up over here of basically the original look compared to what I did. It looks pretty similar. I don't have the perfect mint color, but the kind of minty blue looks good too. So yeah, I don't know yet what I'll do for my next video, but I will see you guys later.